I got me a whole to-go plate. That's how you know it was bomb diggity bomb, okay?
Crazy.
Loved ones, we are back at it again with another video. You already know what it is. It's Gigi coming to you live, also known as Gurnice, also known as Gigi's Thrive Guide. And on today's video, you know, I'm gonna put y'all on to a new place that I'm going to. Now, it's not in Miami, but it is in Hollywood, Florida. And I love Hollywood because it's not too crazy like Miami, downtown Miami, but you still kind of get a few of the similar vibes. You know, it might be a little busy, it might not be, but I'm going to a specific restaurant called Pearl of the Island, and honestly they're more than just a restaurant. Last time I've been there, I only been there once, so we're about to see the vibes. Y'all follow me along the journey and let me know if you love this video, and if you do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, gurnice.g. Follow me on TikTok, Gigi Thrive Guide. You know I'm giving y'all a video, a banger every single week. I'm coming to you right now. Pearl of the Island, Lego.
Okay, green light. Pistol in the party don't seem right.
We are here in downtown Hollywood. As you can see, the weather is a little bit muggy. In general, downtown Hollywood is like an older style architecture, if that makes sense. Like the buildings are not super updated, but it's still a vibe. I like it because it's not crazy, especially during the daytime. It's not crazy. Now, let's try to find parking because I don't want to pay for parking. We about to finesse. So I am outside, as y'all can see. There's other bars in the area. You have a real estate company here. Oh, look at my reflection. It's giving thick. It's giving the baddest B period poo. You know you can't curse here on YouTube. Oh, this is a cute little mural. Y'all, we made it. We made it. We made it. I'm gonna show you how the inside or the front looks. So right now it's happy hour right here. And this is the front, Pearl of the Island. They also have outdoor dining seats. Oh, and before I forget, they have lunch specials. So this is the menu and your space. Yes.
As much as you think.
Okay. Oh. Okay. So this is the strawberry honey. Oops. I'm gonna try it out. So this is the sections, guys, where you can sit down. And this is the seating area. So this is the back room area where you go to the bathroom. Super cute. And this is where they do performances and everything. So this is the coconut shrimp and macaroni. And I got the jjigae, which is mushroom rice and Creole. Overall, y'all, I ate good. I ate so good. I'm so full, as y'all can see my stomach. I am leaving Pearl of the Island right now, and it was definitely giving island vibes, Pearl vibes, but bourgeois. You know, why Miami drivers always gotta do too much? We see you in the Ferrari. We see you already. Relax. But guys, overall, 10 out of 10. Service, 10 out of 10. Everybody was super nice, super cool. I was having a whole conversation with the bartender. That's why I was barely speaking in my video at all. I pretty much ordered like different side items because one thing about me, I like to try everything, and I've been there before. However, like I wanted to try more because when I did go there, I didn't try as much. Oh, I'm about to get into my car. Oh, thank you, Jesus. I'm so full, y'all. I got me a whole to-go plate. That's how you know it was bomb diggity bomb, okay? I drove a whole 30 minutes to come here. That's how you know. That's how you know. But lastly, y'all, before I go, Apart from it being amazing, I know it's a vibe because I have came when there was a DJ. They said they're gonna have a DJ later on tonight. They have game nights. Tonight is technically supposed to be game night. They're going to have something called pate code, which is pretty much like a Haitian patty with either like chicken in it, beef, saltfish. It's so freaking good. Like, y'all just have to pull up. If you don't know what the Haitian cuisine tastes like, I would say Pearl of the Island is the first place you should pull up to first. Try it out to see. And then there's, of course, other restaurants in the area. I'm, of course, going to continue doing more and more reviews. So y'all keep staying tuned. Y'all already know Gigi's Thrive Guide got you every single week, every single time. Like I said, I can't stress this enough. There's only so much I can say about this place, but I loved it so much. Not just because I'm Haitian, but because the food was amazing. Not salty, not too spicy, not too nothing. Just perfect. Cooked to perfection. Service on point, which is one of the most important things. Cleanliness on point. Bartenders amazing. Like, they could have all my money. I'm not gonna say all my money, but you know, they can have me. They can have tips. They deserve their tips compared to a lot of most places. That's all I'm gonna say. Period. But yes, y'all, make sure y'all tune in next week for the next video. Continue to follow, like, subscribe. Let me know what more y'all want to hear, and drop comments below if you guys have any questions, concerns. Let me know what more y'all want to learn about Pearl of the Island, because baby, it is that restaurant. I'm about to drive back home. It's probably gonna take me 40 minutes. That's how you know it is that restaurant, because I drove all the way down here and I'm lit, because that strawberry Henny got me turned up. Can't wait to see y'all. Thank y'all for the support, and I'll catch y'all next time.